Ob Svetovnem dnevu varstva okolja je Gospodarska zbornica Slovenije, služba za varstvo okolja, v okviru Okoljskega dneva gospodarstva pripravila zaključno konferenco projekta ReBirth.
Cilj samega projekta je prispevati k višji stopnji recikliranja gradbenih in industrijskih odpadkov ter njihovo povečano uporabo v gradbeništvu v Sloveniji.
Na konferenci so udeleženci predstavili svoje izkušnje, pridobljene v okviru projekta, in izmenjali mnenja iz prakse doma in v tujini. Slednje je predstavil John Barrett, strokovnjak za agregate iz Velike Britanije, ki je sodeloval pri pripravi pravil za prenehanje statusa odpadkov in zagotavljanje kakovosti pri proizvodnji in uporabi recikliranih in umetnih agregatov.
There's a huge program in the UK on resource efficiency generally and specifically on construction. I personally have been involved for the last 12 years in increasing recycling in construction and designing out waste and doing things so you don't create waste in the first place. This is a program in many parts. You have to create a demand for recycled materials because if you don't have a demand for a material once you've recycled it, it just becomes a waste again. And you have to have the market economics that make recycling the best business option. People only do things that save them money. Therefore, to be able to be resource efficient, you need to have the incentives to make people resource efficient, which means you make landfill very expensive. You put the facilities in place to be able to recover material to a high quality. And then you put the quality management systems in place to be able to recycle those materials so they can replace materials from natural resources. That takes a period of time, and within the UK that's been going on for a good 15 years, but has been getting more effective over the last 10 years. And today I'm going to talk about the Olympics as a good example, where when the client, either the government or a developer, puts into their tender documentation that they require materials with recycled content, that they want recycled aggregates, they want low carbon, they want minimum waste, they want materials that are recovered during demolition, reused within construction. These are the things which are happening. So you have the demand pull for recycled materials and sustainability, and you have the market economics that stops materials as going to waste and incorporates them into the general flow of construction materials.
V popoldanskem delu konference so med drugim spregovorili tudi o uporabi odpadkov in recikliranju pri javnem naročanju gradnje cest.
Že cilj samih zelenih javnih naročil je ta, da bi nekako vzpostavili mehanizem, ki bi omogočal nakup bolj zelenih, bolj ekoloških storitev in produktov v primerjavi s konvencionalnimi. Zato je že sama Evropska komisija vzpostavila mehanizem zelenih javnih naročil, ki ga zdaj se države implementirajo v svoje zakonodaje. Mi imamo zakon o zelenih javnih naročilih z različnim tipom tudi prilog, recimo gradnja hiš, stavb, in zdaj potekajo aktivnosti, da bi dopolnili te priloge z novo prilogo za gradnjo in rekonstrukcijo cest. Tudi sama Evropska komisija je vzpostavila delovno skupino za pregled kriterijev in vzpostavitev novih za gradnjo in rekonstrukcijo cest, in to je recimo en mehanizem, ki bo omogočil v Sloveniji uporabo recikliranih materialov pri gradnji in vzdrževanju cest in cestnih odsekov.